Hi guys, in today's video, or this week's video, or whatever way I want to say it, I thought I might do an unboxing of my brand new Ojai Expansion Pack. Expansion Kit even. Yeah, so it's a Strymon Ojai Expansion Kit. I already have one of the Ojais on the pedal board, but I needed a second power supply to run all the other pedals, and all I had was this old Harley Benton, I think it's called a power bank. I don't know, it's not great anyway, it's not isolated. It has 8 outputs, but they're not isolated. So I picked up this, so I now should have unlimited power. So let's just see what you get in the box. Lots of packaging, which is pretty good, keeps it safe obviously. And then you have your Ojai. I apologise for my painted hand. I've been spraying a guitar body and stupidly forgot to wear gloves. But yeah, there you have it, a Strymon Ojai Expansion. It's basically an Ojai though. I mean, they call it the Expansion Kit, but they give you a second Ojai. It's identical to the first one I have. It still has the 24 volt in and 24 volt through, so you could actually get a third one, but that would be a bit overkill for almost any situation. So 5 outputs, 9 volts each and 500 milliamps each, and they're all isolated and perfect sounding with no noise. And then you get obviously you get a bunch of cables. 5 cables and one to plug it in to your other Ojai. What's this? Warranty card, which I never use. Little rubber feet, which I never use. A sticker, which I might actually use. I might put that on something. And a user guide. Basically just tells you nonsense that you don't need to know. So yeah, the plan will be to install it on my pedal board, which is this guy over here. As you can see, there are far too many pedals, more than anyone would ever realistically need, but I love it because I'm kind of shoegazy, well, trying to play shoegaze most of the time. So yeah. Now, nice short video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check back next week.